Hola, mi gente.
What about there, Chicago?
Yeah, we're talking to you.
What's up? The Venezuelan is back, baby.
So listen, we know our fans out there have been watching us do our thing on video for a while, but now we're going back to our roots.
And we want you to see us live.
We're putting up a show called People in the City.
Bodegas, baseball, and the American dream. I'm excited that we're going to take it out
It's
to
like
youth,
Broadway,
Latino
like
community.
so Broadway.
It's going to be full of merengue, Cubs fans, old men, reggaeton.
Everything you ever wanted out of a short Dominican and a tall Venezuelan. Check out this video blog set by one of our fans.
Yeah, roll the vlog. Hi, to Venezuelan. I'm Marisol, and this is my abuelita.
Venezuelan, hello. When we went to your show, I love your show.
They're not here right now.
Ah?
They're not here.
No, but I thought I'm talking to them. That's what you say. You say get on the kite.
No, this is not Skype.
On the sky.
Skype. It's not Skype. This is like a video mail, you know? And we can leave them a message and then let them know that.
No, pero my other granddaughter, she say we get on the sky and I could say hello to Venezuelan and they could talk back to me. And
Yeah, but that does exist, but that's not what we're doing right now.
I don't understand.
We just wanted, we saw your show and we loved
I
it.
love your show.
And we're so excited.
And they dancing and they play and you play men and you play women and it's
Yes.
wonderful. Venezuelan, can I say Jewish or no?
I can, abuelita, first of all, they can't answer you. It's one of those, like, we're going to leave them a mail and then they're going to open it at another time. There's nothing wrong with saying
They get
Jewish.
too much. She talks too fast sometimes.
Can we just talk to the Venezuelan about the things about their show that we like?
Oh, their show. No, I love their show.
I know. When we were just talking about it and we were so excited, I wanted to.
I am trying to say about the show, and then I say one thing, and then she gets excited.